A morning on the water with heroes. The day began in the half-light, boats idling at the docks while a violet dawn burned through the clouds. American flags snapped from sterns, rods stood at attention, and veterans marched down the walk, some with canes, but the anticipation of a great day on the water had everybody in high spirits. There was a feeling in the air that had nothing to do with the weather. It was anticipation, reverence, and gratitude. By the time 22 boats spread across the bay, the wind had started to rise. Some crews found glassy calm, others took a face full of spray, but all 78 veterans knew the water would give what it wanted. Cisco came over the rail, sometimes steady, sometimes slow, and each fish was greeted with the grin of someone who'd fought harder battles than the one in front of them. The competition was real but friendly. I tried. The Pekar clan finally seized first place with a 29.42-pound box. Pure Angling, led by Captain Tyler Smith, wasn't far behind with 28.22. Wicked Tails rounded out the podium at 16.56. Big Fish honors went to Golden Hour Outdoors with a 4.36-pound Cisco, Real Deal with a 9.76-pound salmon, and Pure Angling with a 9.84-pound lake trout. But as anyone who's been to these events knows, the real story happens off the water. Inside the clubhouse, jackets dripped on the floor, and the smell of barbecue filled the air as veterans swapped stories shoulder to shoulder. Volunteers made it all happen. Maxine and Matt Marciniak, Tom Brown, Bernie Kors, Kevin and Lynn Craven, Greg and Carla Fredrickson, and so many more. Sponsors carried the day too: Dreamweaver Lures, TCH Gear, Bucks Bait, Sweet Shannon's, Cellar 152, Pine Hill Nursery, and many others. Their banners hung on walls, but their true legacy lives in the memories carried home by veterans they helped honor. As the day wound down, laughter inside the hall rose above the rain still ticking on the windows. No one cared about wet socks or empty coolers. What mattered was being seen, being remembered. Greater love has no one than this, to lay down one's life for one's friends. John 15:13.